You want to learn how to make shrimp seasoned rice? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Look at this. Nice and tasty. Here, may have a pound of shrimp. They already peel and deviant. But just going to cut them in two and wash them with lime. Now I'm going to season the shrimp then with my all-purpose seasoning. Turn on the stove. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now I'm going to remove the shrimp. Going to add 1 chopped onion. I'm just going to sweat the onion. 3 cloves garlic. 1 teaspoon pimento. 1½ sweet pepper. 2 stalk scallions chopped. 1 medium carrot diced up. A pound of pumpkin. Add fresh thyme. Now I'm going to season with my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to wash 3 cups of rice. Going to wash the rice until the water comes clear. After washing your rice, this is how the rice water is supposed to clear. Now add the rice. Going to add 1 can Grace coconut milk. I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Going to add 1 pepper. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to steam for 15 minutes. Okay, it is already 15 minutes. First, I'm going to pick out the thyme. Take out the pepper as well. Now add the shrimp. Fluff it. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for 3 more minutes. Okay, my people, here you have it. See how shelly this is. So here you have it, shrimp seasoned rice. This is so good, nice and tasty. I could taste all the flavor from the coconut, the pumpkin, the seasoning. Yo.